The kneeling cable crunch with dual hook straight bar is a core strengthening abs exercise that primarily targets the rectus abdominis. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust both pulleys of a cable machine to a position just higher than your head while kneeling, then attach a dual hook straight bar. Kneel on the floor facing away from the cable machine with the bar positioned behind your head. Grab the bar with both hands using a shoulder width grip. It's more comfortable for me to use an underhand grip, however an overhand grip works as well. Hold the bar behind your head, resting it lightly at the back of your neck. Tuck your pelvis slightly and engage your core, then bend forward slightly with your upper body. Exhale and initiate the movement by contracting your abs as you pull the weight down by curling your torso forward to bring your chest toward your knees. Keep your hips stationary and avoid using your arms or momentum to pull the weight down. Focus on fully engaging your abdominal muscles at the bottom of the movement and hold for a brief second. Under control, inhale as you slowly raise your torso back to the starting position, ensuring that the resistance is controlled throughout the movement. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.